Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am BC, I am a Prep Class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 1 to 5 of the Loyola College Entrance Examination, Quantitative Reasoning, Material 5. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. This will enable you to get more videos like this. Okay, so we have a sample before the set of questions. So study the sample below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the questions that follow. Okay, so it's very important that we study the samples before going ahead to answer the questions. So quantitative reasoning is a measure of one's ability to use mathematical skills to solve problems. So in quantitative reasoning, you need to think deeply on how to generate the right answer. Okay, so here are some steps in solving quantitative reasoning problems. Okay, look at the samples very well, study them. So that's the step one. Study the samples very carefully. So find out the math necessary to solve the problem. So after that, do the math and check the answer. Okay, so whatever you do for the first sample, you must do for the other samples as well. Okay, so now let's look at these three samples. So there are two top numbers and one bottom number for each of the samples. There is a relationship between these three numbers. What is that relationship? We need to find it out. Okay, so to get this bottom number, all you have to do is to add the top numbers. Okay, here we have 15 and 2 as the top numbers. 15 plus 2 is 17. So the bottom number is 17. So this means that the answer is right. Okay, let's look at the second sample. The top numbers are 13 and 9. And then the bottom number is 22. Okay, so what is 13 plus 9? 13 plus 9 is 22. Wow. Let's see if it works with the third sample as well. The top numbers are 3 and 17. So 3 plus 17 is 20. Yay! It works! It works! So this means that to get the bottom number, we simply add the top numbers. That's all. That's all. Now that we've been able to find out how the samples are gotten, then we can go ahead and answer the questions. Okay, so question 1, we have the two top numbers as 18 and 17. Okay, so let's do that. Remember, from the samples, to get the bottom number, we add the two top numbers. Okay, so the two top numbers here are 18 and 17. So let's add 18 and 17 here. 8 plus 7 is 15. So write 5 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 35. So this means that the bottom number, which is the missing number, is 35. So the correct option here is option C, 35. Check. You can see that this is very easy, right? Okay, so question 2. We are given the two top numbers as 9 and 17. Then the bottom number is missing. So how do we do this? Remember, from the samples, to get the bottom number, we simply add the two top numbers. That's all. So the two top numbers here are 9 and 17. So 9 plus 17 can be done here. 9 plus 7 is 16. Write 6, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 9 plus 17 is 26. So this means that the missing number is 26. So the correct option here is option B, 26. Check. Question 3. We are given the two top numbers as 11 and 19. And we are asked to find the bottom number. Okay, so bottom number is the sum of the top numbers. I hope you still remember that. Okay, so now the top numbers here are 11 and 19. So we have to add 11 and 19. Let's do that here. 1 plus 9 is 10. So write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So this means that 11 plus 19 is 30. So the bottom number, which is the missing number, is 30. And then the correct option is option D, 30. 11 plus 19 is 30. Okay, so let's move on to question 4. So I would want you to do this yourself. So the two top numbers here are 4 and 2. And then you're asked to find the bottom number. So how would you do this? I would like you to pause this video, do it yourself, and then continue the video to check if your answer is right. Okay, so remember, from the samples, all we have to do is to add the two top numbers to get the bottom number. So the two top numbers here are 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So this means that the bottom number is 6. The missing number is 6. So the correct option is option C, which is 6. Check. I hope you got this right because it's very easy. Okay, so now let's move on to question 5. I would like you to do this yourself as well. So pause this video and try it yourself. So the top numbers are 9 and 2. Then the bottom number is missing. Okay, so remember, from the samples, add the two top numbers to get the bottom number. So 9 and 2 are the top numbers. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So this means that the bottom number is 11. The missing number is 11. Okay, so which of the following options is correct? Of course, the correct option is C, 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. So you can see that quantitative reasoning is actually very easy. Once you're able to find out how to solve the samples, then doing the questions will be very easy for you. Okay, so for this set of questions, all you have to do is to just add the two top numbers to get the bottom number. That's all. Okay, so I hope you got this right as well. If so, well done. Okay, so that's the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you were able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. You can also join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time, bye.